I needed a break.
That flag is huge. Check out the flag. Wow. Pretty awesome. Wow, Mango is packed. This place just gets packed all of a sudden. Yeah, these places do very good business around here. This is a very popular place, Festival Plaza. Koreatown / Chinatown, basically, here in Edison, New Jersey. Like, I don't know if you actually, in the world, if everybody knows it, but you know, it's like a Chinatown. It really is. And I've said it before. This is about the same size, or maybe even a little bigger, than the block of Koreatown in New York City, Manhattan. So it's very similar in size. And you have restaurants, very similar vibe. You have a food court like Manhattan, Chinatown. Of course, different area, of course. But yeah, this is definitely a great spot. Summertime, it gets really jumping. Super awesome. And you have the new one here, the Molly Tea. I think it's really cool that they put the red here because it slows the cars down, because people walk here all the time. So yeah, it's really nice that they put the red on the concrete in the parking lot. And the Molly Tea, yes, this is the new store here. And we have the Ziyan chicken. I guess, wow, pretty wild, because their logos are similar in color and everything. I think that's a popular look, the way the logo is. The Molly Tea. Molly T in his house. I've been to the Molly T in Brooklyn, Chinatown. Also, pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. Chinatown, New Jersey, Festival Plaza in his house. May 2026.
这个打进去了。